Welcome back to JepTech Studio. In this video we're gonna see how to apply a cartoon effect to a photo. Okay, first of all you want to download a application in Play Store. Open Google Play Store and search for new profile pic. Okay, already installed. So if you open the application, okay, after you install, you open the application, it shows choose a photo. Okay, wow. Click that button and you can go into the gallery. You choose which photo you want to apply the cartoon effect. Okay, after you choosing the photo, some small ad will play. Okay, you can give the press the cross symbol. Okay, now it will load for a minute. After the cartoon effect is applied, you can change any effect in the above section. Okay, this is another effect. Okay, see, it will vary from effect to effect. The third one is which is you seen in the thumbnail. Okay, first I choose the third one. See, this is a vibrant look the photo was. Then if you want the same cartoon effect and the different background, you can choose below. Okay, I choose the third one and I want a plain background, so choose the third one in the below option. Okay, see, if we press the third one in the below option, it will become plain. Okay, now save and share button is there. We can press that button, the photo will load. Then a download button in green color, if you click that, the photo is saved in our gallery. Okay, now open the gallery. The application watermark is in the photo, so in your gallery edit option is there, defaultly available in every mobile. If not, go to Chrome and go for any watermark remover site. Okay, object eraser option is there in any mobile, you can erase in that. Okay, wow. Okay, clearly erase that. Okay, now click the save option, the photo will save. Okay, see you in a next wonderful video. Bye bye.